Specify how you want PhpStorm to treat composer packages. Okay, this is what I'm going to talk about. This section that's highlighted here. You will notice that I returned the setting which caused the words library root to appear here in front of the composer directory in the vendor directory. So what I did to cause this to happen is under Composer, I checked the box for add packages as libraries, okay? And it also, as I've mentioned in the previous video, it adds it in the include path, okay? Now that that's out of the way, let's read what the manual has to say. Okay. To have PhpStorm mark composer packages added to the current project as libraries, select the Add Packages as Libraries checkbox. Okay, the thing that I'm not sure about when reading this paragraph is whether, because in my project I don't have any packages that I've had Composer install. So the only Composer packages I have are the ones in the Composer directory. However, I don't think that when you add new packages to the vendor directory, I don't think they go in the Composer directory. I think they would have their own directories. So I don't know if having checked that this would cause every one of those other directories in the vendor directory to be marked as library root. I don't know. Anyways, I wanted to point out that I did go back and check that checkbox that I just showed you. Okay, let's go back and read. In the context of PhpStorm, any file marked as library is automatically write protected. Library files are indexed for the only purpose, which is enhancing coding assistance. Library files are not to be edited in the scope of the project where they are declared as library. It says down here, if you want to use Composer packages in your development and at the same time be able to update them yourself within the scope of the same project, then clear the Add Packages as Libraries checkbox. Okay, so I just wanted to make this video so that this information is on the record for me. It doesn't mean that I understand everything or know all about this, but I want this documented. As an addendum to my video, I just wanted to point out that I checked out another Composer project that I had done, and I went into the vendor directory, and I noticed that when Composer installs other packages, they are installed in separate directories. They're not subdirectories of the Composer directory. So those will probably also be marked as libraries, although I don't know if they'll be marked as library roots, just like the Composer directory had the words library root next to it, like this. Library root. Okay.